Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, guys, today I have made my all-time favorite sandwich. It is a pesto chicken sandwich. Oh, I just love this sandwich. It is so good. I'm excited to show you guys just how to make it. So let's get started because it's that time to get cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is slice some tomatoes, and these are just vine-ripened tomatoes. And then I'm going to place the tomato slices on a baking tray lined with aluminum foil and lightly greased. Sprinkle a little bit of salt onto each tomato. And then I'm going to add a little bit of pesto, and this is jarred pesto, onto each tomato. And then bake in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And so what I have here is thinly sliced chicken breast, but you can buy a chicken breast and slice it in half if you can't find it already thinly sliced. And I'm going to sprinkle each piece of chicken with salt and black pepper. All right, so my tomatoes are done, so I'm just going to place them on a plate. And then I'm just going to put my chicken onto that same piece of aluminum foil. All right, now I'm spooning some pesto onto each piece of chicken, and I'm being very careful not to touch the spoon to the chicken. We don't want to contaminate the whole jar of pesto. And now I'm going to spread that pesto over the chicken, and then of course I'll put this spoon in the sink to be washed. And then bake in the 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Remove it from the oven and place a couple slices of the roasted tomatoes on top of each piece of chicken. And then I have here some fresh mozzarella slices, and I'm going to add that on top of each tomato. And place it back in the oven until the cheese melts. All right, now I'm going to make a pesto mayo, and I'm just simply adding a tablespoon of pesto to about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So my chicken has come out of the oven. The mozzarella has melted. I have toasted a ciabatta bun now to make this sandwich. Just going to spread a little bit of this pesto mayo onto my bun, my roll. Put some fresh spinach on top on my sandwich here. It's a great way to incorporate some fresh spinach into your diet. And voila. Look at that. Yum. All right, it's my favorite time. It's time to take a bite. Oh, it has been way too long since I have had this sandwich. Oh, yeah. And this sandwich is something that you might see in a fancy sandwich shop or a deli, and you can make it in your own kitchen, which it makes that much better. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.